In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach and send a folder through Yahoo Mail email. Let's dive right in and make this process straightforward and easy to follow. To kick things off, we need to lay the groundwork by compressing the folder you wish to send into a zip file. This initial step is essential because most email platforms, including Yahoo Mail, don't typically support attaching entire folders directly. This limitation is due to the structural complexity and potential size of folders. Instead, by compressing the folder, we bundle all its contents into a single file. This not only streamlines the data but often reduces the file size, making it more manageable for sending via email. If you're working on a Windows computer, start by right-clicking on the folder you intend to send. A context menu will appear. Look for the Send to option and hover your cursor over it. This action will trigger another drop-down menu, where you'll find an option labeled Compressed Zipped Folder. Select this, and your computer will automatically generate a new file with the same name as your folder, but with a .zip extension. Once you see that .zip extension, you'll know that your folder has been successfully compressed and is now ready to be emailed. The next step is to navigate to Yahoo Mail. Open up your preferred web browser and head to the Yahoo Mail website. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to your account before you continue. If you run into any trouble logging in, take a moment to reset your password for a smooth experience. After logging in, glance toward the top left corner of the Yahoo Mail interface, and you should spot the Compose button. Clicking it will open a fresh email window ready for you to draft your message. Begin by entering the recipient's email address in the To field. Double-check to avoid any typos, ensuring your email reaches the right person. Next, fill in the subject line with a relevant heading, offering your recipient a quick preview of what the email contains. In the body of the message, feel free to include any text you find necessary, perhaps a brief note explaining what's inside the folder or anything else you'd like to convey. Now, it's time to attach your file. Look for the paperclip icon, a universal symbol for file attachments. Clicking this icon will prompt your device's File Explorer to open. Navigate through it until you locate your .zip file. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it, and then choose the Open or Attach button. This action will add the file to your email. With everything set up, the final step is to send your email. A simple click on the Send button, and your Yahoo Mail will deliver your message, along with the zipped folder, to your intended recipient. And there you have it. You've successfully attached and sent a folder through Yahoo Mail.